It again. I don't know anything set to the chef, that is it. Yes, everything happening, you know. To the sweet pot there. You see, Mr. Chef, what go on?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, man, everything up my tree, man. I don't know anything already. YouTube, I say, you know. Sweet pot, you know. Yeah, man, I'm up and brawling, man.
Yeah, man.
Folks, they're mad.
That's the rice over here, so.
Yeah, so everything happening, you know.
It's so nice.
That's everything happening. You see it? So you look, hey, man, a sweet pot there to them, man. Yeah, say it there. Yeah, man, the chef that. See that again, the goat, this, you know, man. I eat, you know, man, I eat, you know. I eat, you know, the thing up and running, you know. Yeah, say the thing happen, you see it? Them, man, I make the thing happen, you hear that? It's them, man, they are the chef, you see me? Yeah, man, I say it said, brawling, I eat. Answer that, you know. So right now we're going around in the main kitchen, you have the whole of chef them. Yeah, say it there. You see? Sweet pot there to them, man. Anne Marie there.
No.
So when they there, the Jenna of the time, you see me? She have the secret ingredients, you know. You see it? Early.